All right, today we're going to show you on the Handle It 800 model stretch wrap machine. It has a feature on it which you can do a recordable custom wrap cycle. So the machine does have 9 standard wrap cycles that you customize, but it also has 9 recordable cycles. What that allows you to do is maneuver the machine manually, record it, and then play it back and save it as one of those 9 settings. You'd want to use this if you have an odd load, like say this one here has 2 on the top, and hey, I want to get some more overwrap on the top where normally the photo eye might miss it or it wouldn't hit it right. Also, if you might have some gaps in your palette where the photo eye might not detect it and it might mess up the photo eye and it would go back down instead of keep rising up. Also, if it's a black load or reflective or something like that where the photo eye doesn't catch it correctly. So we'll manually wrap this one. So if we're at the machine and we go over to record and hit start, I can now start my cycle. So I'm gonna get this turntable rotating. I hold it down to a beat so I keep going. Now I'm gonna raise up this carriage. As you can see here, I'm raising it up. Now I'm gonna stop it, let it get a little bit more middle wraps going. Then I'm gonna go back up. And notice how it's kind of an odd shaped palette here. So I kind of want to catch it at different angles. So I'll stop there, go up a little bit more. I'm going to get some more wrap on the top here. Then I'll bring it back down. I really want to kind of get this caught right here. I'm going to finish it up right all the way back to the bottom. Notice every time I stop, another step gets recorded. Go down, I stop, another step gets recorded. You can do up to 100 steps. So we go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to stop it. So we had 19 steps total. And from there, I can save it. So if I click save, stop. And right now it's in number 1. So let's say I want to save number 3. And then I go to number 3 and click save. Now I can go to load, go up to that recordable mode 3. And if I start this again, it's going to do all those steps that I just did. So one of my recordable modes could be, hey, I have 2 layers of palette, and the very top, it's basically half a layer, but it's centered in the middle. I know, hey, I want to do recordable mode number 3, and I'm going to get that exact same wrap on it. This recordable mode is a very nice feature that at this price point on a Model 800 listed at $5,800 or the 850 PS with an $8,200 list price, you're not going to get that type of functionality in machines at that price. So notice here the steps are counting down.